video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Zendesk, a complete customer service solution. We'll go step by step on how to navigate its settings and create a custom view. First, head over to the Zendesk homepage, which is the hub for all your customer service needs. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of features designed to help streamline customer interactions. Look for the sign-in option, usually located at the top right, and click it. Enter your email and password associated with your Zendesk account. Carefully, then hit Sign In to access your personalized dashboard. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically a gear symbol, and click it. This opens a menu of administrative options tailored to your account. From here, go to the Admin Center, which gives you full control over your workspaces and other settings. Inside the Admin Center, click on Workspaces, where you can create environments for different teams or functions within your organization. Now look for the Views option. Views act as filters that help you organize tickets based on specific criteria, making it easier to prioritize tasks. Click Add View to create a new one. Give it a descriptive name and add a brief description so everyone knows its purpose. Next, set the conditions for this view, for example, filtering tickets by priority. In this example, we'll focus on tickets with a priority greater than urgent. Finally, click Save to preserve your settings. And there you have it. That keeps your Zendesk dashboard organized, helps your team stay on top of important tasks, and improves overall customer service efficiency.